Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Snowmando from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing the left side of his head with a curved line upwards and slightly to the right, semicircle turn to the right. At that corner, I'm going to turn it upwards with a curved line, semicircle turn diagonally to the right, semicircle turn back inwards to the left, and downwards, semicircle turn back diagonally upwards, and semicircle turn back diagonally down and to the left. Turn it back outwards to the right at that corner. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the face on the right side right here. Now from the left corner of his head, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape across to the right side right here. And from the same point at the side, at this upper point, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, semicircle turn downwards. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side right here. Now for his nose, I'm going to take a point in the middle of his face and I'm going to draw a semi-circle shape and I'm going to leave a gap on the right corner. And at that gap from the lower point, diagonal curved line upwards and slightly to the right, semicircle turn to the left with a curved line. From that point, I'm going to draw a smaller semicircle line right there along the edges, and I'm going to repeat that same semicircle line again on the right corner right here, and another one all the way to the tip on the right side. Now for his eyes on the right side, I'm going to draw a curved line across. And I'm gonna thicken that line right there, and above that I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Copy that same shape of the eye on the right side right here. Now on his left shoulder, I'm going to draw a line across for the top of the strap, turn it diagonally down and to the right at this inner corner, and I'm going to do the same thing for the outer corner on the left right there. In the middle point right there, I'm going to draw a pouch with a tilted rectangular shape at that corner right there. And inside of that, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a line across. And above that line, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a circular shape and another smaller circle inside of that. I'm going to repeat that same set of shape on the right side right here. And another one at that corner. Continue the line of the strap on the right side across diagonally. The line downwards at the outer corner on the right there. On the left side of the ending point, I'm going to draw the buckle with a line downwards at that corner and another one on the left corner. Inside of that, at this upper point, diagonal line downwards across to the right, turn it back diagonally upwards on the right side. Copy that same shape again at this lower point. Along the strap, I'm gonna trace the same curved line at this upper corner right there, all the way upwards to the left shoulder. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left corner. On the left side of the strap at this upper point, I'm going to draw a curve line out, semicircular turn downwards, turn it slightly inwards. Curve line across to the right. Continue that line across beyond the strap on the right side. Curve line upwards and out on the right corner. Semicircular turn back inwards at the shoulder point with the curve line across all the way to the base of his neck right there. And below that at the side, another curve line out, turn it downwards on both the left and right side of his outfit. Turn it back inwards at the lower point, curve line across. And in the middle point of his jacket, off center, I'm gonna draw a line downwards on the left side right here. Another similar line on the right, and slightly on the right side, another similar line. Continue that line upwards above the strap right there, and another one at that point. And on the left side of that, I'm going to continue the line from the lower point, and at that corner I'm going to draw a long rectangular shape across. Inside of that, a circular shape on the left corner, and I'm going to continue the line from the lower point upwards at that corner above that rectangular shape. At the side of those rectangular line, I'm going to draw a curve line across to the side of his neck, and another one slightly above that. I'm going to do the same thing on the left side right here. At the side of that curve line, I'm going to draw a curve line across to the shoulder at this upper point, and on the left side. Below that, I'm going to draw the pouch on his vest on the right side with a rectangular shape right there, and inside of that, a line across in the middle point. At the lower point on the right side of that vertical line, I'm going to draw a curve line across in the middle point right here, and below that at the side, a curve line out, turn it downwards, semicircular turn back to the middle point across with a curve line. Repeat that same shape on the right side right here. Below that, a curve line downwards at the sides, and curve line across from the left corner all the way to the right corner. In the middle point of the vest at this lower point, I'm going to draw a circular shape. Now for the buckle of his belt in the middle point below the vest, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right there. And inside of that buckle, on the left corner, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape right there, and a circular line surrounding the ending point on the right there. Inside of the buckle, I'm going to trace the outer line of the buckle along the edges at this inner corner. Inside of the buckle on the right side, I'm going to draw a circular shape at that corner and a small black circle in the middle point of that. Repeat that same shape again on the left side of the buckle right there. Below that belt, I'm going to draw his second belt with a tilted rectangular shape on the left corner. And from the side of that, diagonal curve line across to the right and to the left corner. Copy that same set of curve line again at this lower point. A line downwards at the ending point at the sides. Now for the first belt at the sides, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right there, and another one on the right side right here. Curve line across for the top of the belt. And for the lower line, I'm gonna do the same thing. A line downwards at the sides. Above the belt, I'm gonna draw a line upwards on both the left and right. And below the belt, continue that line downwards at the side. In between the legs, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line across. Diagonal line downwards for the inner line of the legs. Now for his knee pad, I'm gonna draw a curve line across, semicircle turn downwards on both sides, semicircle turn inwards at this lower point on both sides, and a line across at this middle point. Inside of that, I'm gonna trace the outline along the edges. Below that, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards on both sides, semicircle turn inwards on both ending points, curve line across in the middle point. Below that at the sides, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards on the left, zigzag line across all the way to the right corner, sharp turn back up with curve line. Below that, I'm going to continue the line of the boots downwards on both sides with curve line, slightly inwards at the ankle point. At the ankle point, I'm going to draw a line across, turn it diagonally down and out on both sides. Copy that same set of line again at this lower point, and another one below that. A line upwards on both sides all the way to this upper point. In the middle point inside of that, I'm going to draw a triangular shape at this lower point. And above that, I'm going to repeat that same shape again and another one right there. Below that, at the side, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards and flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards with a curved line. Copy that same shape again on the right side. Curved line across in the middle point right there. And above that line, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape right there. Below that, on both sides, I'm going to draw a line downwards, curved line across from the ending point. Along the base of the shoe, I'm going to draw some rectangular shapes. Now on his right thigh, I'm going to draw his strap with a rectangular shape for the buckle right there. A small rectangular shape in the middle point at this lower corner, and I'm gonna repeat that same shape again at this upper point. At the side of the buckle, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line across, and on the left side right there as well, and I'm gonna repeat that same diagonal line again at this lower point. A line downwards on both sides right there. Below that strap, I'm going to draw another strap with curved line across and another one below that. A line downwards at the ending point on both sides. I'm going to copy the same shape of his legs on the right side right here. Now for his arms, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from the side of his vest, semicircle turn downwards, flare it back outwards, semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn upwards at the elbow point. Turn it back downwards with a semicircle turn all the way to the top of his glove, and at the top of his glove on the left, I'm gonna draw a U shape, and on the right side of that, a curved line across for the top of his glove. Another curved line across at his lower point, and at the ending point on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards all the way to the side of his palm, and on the right side of that, a curved line downwards, turn it downwards, sharp turn upwards on the right side. For the outer line of the glove, a curved line downwards on the left corner, sideways to the right. Continue that line across on the right side of the thumb right there, and on this thumb I'm gonna draw a line across at that corner. Below the glove at the outer corner, I'm gonna draw a U curved line across, and I'm gonna repeat that same shape again across all the way to the right side. Below that, I'm gonna draw a V shape across for his fingers right there. Now for the inner line of his arm above the glove, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally upwards, semicircle turn upwards at the side of his vest. I'm gonna copy the same shape of his arms on the right side. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.